Hi everyone, welcome to Sky World Korean 101. Today we're going to learn one of the most important Korean grammar patterns, ayo and oyo. These are the polite present tense endings used in everyday Korean. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to make simple Korean sentences naturally. And don't worry, Korean conjugation is actually much easier than many people think. Let's start. In Korean, ayo and oyo are polite endings added to verbs and adjectives. We use them when describing actions, asking questions, or speaking politely in daily conversation. Step 1. Remove ta. Step 1 is very simple. First, remove ta from the dictionary form. For example, 가다 becomes 가, 먹다 becomes 먹, 읽다 becomes 읽. After removing ta, you will add either ayo or oyo depending on the vowel. So remember, dictionary form minus ta. Next, check the last vowel in the verb stem. This is the key step. If the last vowel is a or o, you add ayo. For all other vowels, you usually add oyo. Let's look at examples next. If the last vowel is a or o, add ayo. For example, 가다 becomes 가요, 보다 becomes 봐요, 좋다 becomes 좋아요. Notice that Korean naturally shortens some sounds. 보아요 becomes 봐요. This happens very often in Korean pronunciation. If the last vowel is not a or o, we add oyo. For example, 먹다 becomes 먹어요, 읽다 becomes 읽어요, 배우다 becomes 배워요. Now, let's look at 하다 verbs. These are very common in Korean. For verbs ending in 하다, 하다 changes to 해요. For example, 말하다 becomes 말해요. 공부하다 becomes 공부해요. 일하다 becomes 일해요. This rule is super common, so you will use it all the time in real conversations. Finally, let's learn two very important verbs. 있다 becomes 있어요. This means to exist or to have. 없다 becomes 없어요. This means to not exist or to not have. You will hear these two verbs constantly in Korean, so it's important to memorize them early. Great job, everyone! Now you know how to use ayo and oyo in the Korean present tense. Let's quickly review. Step 1. Remove ta and check the last vowel. then add ayo or oyo. And remember, 하다 changes to 해요. Keep practicing with simple verbs every day, and Korean conjugation will become much easier. Thank you for watching. See you next time.